We are recording. We are officially recording right now. Austin. That is Austin. My little brother, Austin. He has the coolest collection of monster trucks you've ever seen in your entire life. Look at all those monster trucks. Oh. It's kind of glary. Can't really see. It's dark. Anyway. This is my baby brother, Jakey.
Pokemon.
He likes Pokemon. We'll probably do a follow-up video with some Pokemon in him, because he likes some Pokemon. Austin Myers, have you counted these monster trucks? You telling me you started this video without knowing how many monster trucks you had exactly? Son.
Of course, I'm counting them right now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Can you even count that high?
18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
I'm going to be here all day.
24, 35, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53,
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Get your hands up. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90 exactly. What? We even spent like 10 minutes prepping this, and you're still finding monster trucks? 91. Just randomly found a bulldozer. 92. 93. 94. You got some 94 monster trucks right now. Look around the room that I will not put on video. Look around the room right now. Is that it? Okay. Yeah. 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 Well, did you look under the beds? There ain't nothing else, nowhere else to hide anything unless under the beds.
Show them that while we're waiting. Show them that picture while we're waiting. Here's a picture, too.
No, we're not showing anything Pokemon in this video. This is a Monster Jam video. So 94?
94.
94.
94.
That's the grand total of monster trucks. Don't be jelly, kids. Don't be jelly of this boy right here. He's gonna be a ladies' man when he grows up, I know it.